Here's the work I've been doing, scraping up the siding on the house. The styrofoam were the termites, and the termites were all over this part right here. All I could find were tracks. I never found any live termites. They took care of them. But this is hard work. Scraping up all that stuff. It is hard work. I mean, you can see it. It is some bad stuff. Right there. Okay. Clean out this back. As you can see. I hope you can see how we thinned it out. Right, Orf? We thinned it out. We certainly have. There's a praying mantis, boys. Praying mantis. See it? You see it? It's a praying mantis. Look at it, it's spectacular. Praying mantis. It's a praying mantis. He's looking at me. The praying mantis is turned. He's looking at me. Isn't that neat? Look at his face. He's scared of me. Here he is. I'm right in front of him now. You see him? Incredible. Look at the praying mantis. There he is. He's a pretty long one. Here he's moving.
Honey, it's poison, honey. She have poison.
Tell Anna what you came across.
Look at my plants, honey. Cool.
There's Orpheus. Yeah.
Only one there. That's all.
Yeah. But we ran across a snake. And there's some more that we thinned out. And we still got to pick up some stuff. So, Orphe, look to the camera, honey. Turn straight forward. Look,
Honey, this week we need killing.
Okay.
We need killing this.
All right. There's that friendly neighborhood cat. He's so friendly. See if I can zoom real good on him. Hey, kitty cat. There she is. There's the neighbor's cat, our new neighbor's cat. He's got his partner, the black one. I don't see him. There's Orphe working real hard in that backyard. She has really cleaned it out. She got a bad case of poison ivy on the last day. She really thinned it out. It was just horrible. But, oh well. There's Orphe working. Hi, Orph. Hi, baby. Hi there.
I think you're in the window, honey.
And there's the little flower thing she's built. And take a look at the pretty flowers. Look at that tree. Isn't that beautiful? You can see the pretty fall leaves in here turn from green to red. Very breezy today, but it's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Connect it up with that stuff. So, y'all just chilling out. What's your mom up to? Oh, yeah. Well.
There's the cat.
Again, that is the key word there. Again. Nothing going right. 11:42.
There's the kitty cat.
Bartesio and Hanzus, the even strength goal and a 4-0 lead. His third of the playoff year. I don't even think the fans have enough life left to boo Chris Bonner anymore because of the 4-0 lead.
Hey, kitty cat. Hey, kitty cat. Oh. There's just flowers, Anna, in the front. They're growing. I got floral flowers that bloomed, and I think they already bloomed, but there were 4 up here. It's nice. And I'm blooming on the side of the house too, and you can see it. See? Isn't that pretty? That's what you did for me, Anna. Got my flowers going. It's real nice. That's great. Look at that. Look at this red one. That's real pretty, Anna. Real nice. And then John helped me put the rocks on the edge. As you can see, I put my rocks around the edge. There, focused. My bushes. Isn't that pretty? It's got the orange in it. Beautiful. It is so beautiful. What life's all about. So pretty. I hope this is better. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. Here's my flowers actually. They're starting to bloom. with the whole stub. This is a crow that has a dead squirrel, ladies and gentlemen. See him?
Es un hermoso conejito. Qué lindo.
He was right in front, then he ran away.
He's right there. I got him.
No, he ran away because...
Maybe the other woman...
No, I see him. Here he comes. He's coming forward.
Those people are moving. No, now he went because they're moving.
No, he's right there. I got him on the focus.
Yeah, let me go outside to
No, I got him on focus.
Wait, he'll come back.
Oh, he's come.
Baby, put on your jacket. They're coming any second now. I'm not kidding you.
Honey,
Any
please,
second.
baby.
I got him, Orphe, right now. I got him
No,
on...
let me say go outside.
No, I got him in focus. Don't let me get that. I got him in focus.
Honey.
Orphe, just a minute.
Baby, please. I don't say you. Let me see. I go outside, honey.
Okay, let me get the film.
I think she was referring to Steven.
There's deer in our backyard.
Sí, papi, a que no sabe que estoy viendo aquí en mi casa ahora. Estoy viendo 8 venados de aquí en mi casa. Están al frente de aquí. Sí, está aquí al pie, de la casa. No, ya está mejor.
How many is there, Orphe?
Sí, ya está mejor, sí. Sí, yo también empecé con... Ayer también empezaron a doler los huesos, pero me tomé la medicina y ya estoy también mejor.
Where's the other ones?
It's over there behind the trees. Ajá. No, está bien. Voy a dar de comer ahora el desayunito, sí. Sí, está jugando allá con una pelota. Pues sí, papi, que 8 venados. Sí, ya. Está bien. Ajá. Ah. No, aquí en la universidad ni escopeta. Sino que viene aquí a sacar el perro aquí afuera a orinar y traiga una soga y los echa a mano. Si es que mancitos, no, esos corren mucho.